This is the course of financial management, and we will be going through the module number 196. This discussion is about the cost of bonds, and this is the second part of our discussion on the topic. We have talked about the types of bonds. We have said that the three basic categories are zero coupon bonds, and perpetual bonds. And this categorization is with reference to the maturity and the rate of interest, which is called coupon or coupon rate. Let's first pick up the zero coupon bond. Zero coupon bond means a bond on which no interest is received. Then the question is that why would somebody invest in a bond where there is no interest? The answer is that the purchase price and the selling price or the maturity value are different, and the difference between the two is the return of the investor. On these bonds, there is no installment, no interest, and all we have to do is to discount the maturity value using a specific rate. Now, that rate, when we discount the maturity value, which makes it equal to the current market price, is actually the cost of zero coupon bonds. Let's have a look at the formula of this. You see that this is the present value formula of a certain future amount, where the future value is taken as the maturity value. Now, because we need to calculate the value of R, which is the cost of the bond, so we'll reshape this formula like this. So here, R is equal to the price, which is the current price, divided by the maturity value, and we'll take the power as minus 1 over n, and we'll subtract 1 out of it, and we'll get the cost of a zero coupon bond. Now let's have a look at the cost of the bond which is issued for infinite period of time. No maturity, or we call it a perpetual bond. The cost of perpetual bond is calculated just by considering the interest. क्योंकि perpetual bond वो bond है कि जिसकी कभी maturity होती ही नहीं है. So there is no maturity value. The only thing that an investor gets is installment or interest. Now, all we need to do is to discount that interest by applying the formula, and the rate at which the discounted values become equal to the market price is the cost of that perpetual bond. Again, we use the formula of what is called perpetuity. हमने ये perpetuity की discussion अपने initial modules में, जहाँ हमने time value of money को पढ़ा है, वहाँ बहुत डिटेल से कर चुके हैं. So this is the formula of calculating the value of such a cash flow stream where there is no maturity. यहाँ पर भी हमें क्योंकि कॉस्ट को डिटरमिन करना है, यानी रेट या आर की वैल्यू डिटरमिन करनी है, तो हम इस फॉर्मूले को फिर थोड़ा सा रीशेप कर देंगे. एंड हियर आर or the cost of perpetual bond is equal to the amount of per year interest divided by the current price which is prevailing in the market. So in this way we'll get the cost of this perpetual bond. अब हम तीसरे बॉन्ड की तरफ चलते हैं, जिसको हम क्यूपॉन बॉन्ड कहते हैं. क्यूपॉन बॉन्ड में दोनों चीज़ें शामिल हैं, यानी क्यूपॉन या इंटरेस्ट रेट, और दूसरी चीज़ जो है जिसे हम मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू कहते हैं. तो हमें दोनों को डिस्काउंट करना है, और इसमें भी हम हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड को फॉलो करते हैं, जैसे कि हमने पहले भी आईआरआर की डिस्कशन में किया. इसके अंदर हमें इंस्टॉलमेंट्स या इंटरेस्ट को भी डिस्काउंट करना है, और हमें मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू को भी डिस्काउंट करना है, और जिस रेट के ऊपर इन दोनों की कंबाइंड प्रेजेंट वैल्यू करंट मार्केट के प्राइस के बराबर हो जाए, वही हमारी कॉस्ट ऑफ क्यूपॉन बॉन्ड है. यानी हम यूं कहते हैं कि वो रेट जो हमारी इंटरेस्ट और हमारी मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू की प्रेजेंट वैल्यू को हमारी करंट मार्केट प्राइस के बराबर कर देती है, वो हमारी कॉस्ट ऑफ क्यूपॉन बॉन्ड है.